Racing just is started. We have as Magic, break quickly at the start. Moving up, Mr. Godfather, ran out the outside. Fields of Gold, Pretty Bull, Premier Edition comes next. Secret Lady, Inspiring, then followed over by Daredevil, Claim My Price. While the Chosen One is the trailer by about 12 lengths up. The leader and going along for the first turn. We have Premier Edition takes command. Mr. Godfather alongside Fields of Gold is racing in third, then followed over by Pretty Bull. Secret Lady has Magic. Daredevil inspiring the Chosen One, while Claim My Prize now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have three runners matching their strides together. Premier Edition is down on the inside. Fields of Gold is on the outside. Mr. Godfather drops back in third. Then followed over by Pretty Bull. Daredevil comes next. Then followed over by Has Magic. Inspiring Secret Lady. Claim My Prize. While the Chosen One now racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Fields of Gold by about 2 lengths. Premier Edition in second. Daredevil now coming closer into the Inspiring. Last 100 meters, we have Fields of Gold. This time now by about 6 lengths. Premier Edition Inspiring. And finally, it's Fields of Gold. Premier Edition Inspiring, Daredevil. Then comes Has Magic.
95371.